in addition to grief, trying to hopefully talk about grief every month, doing a short video on boundaries, because I think that that's something that is very important. And so I know I'm going to get in trouble in a few months because I'm creating a boundary and not inviting someone back who is unkind to me. And I'm going to keep it real. I did a check-in my coach in January, and I said, I'm not going to invite this person back. She's like, absolutely. But I needed that little cheerleader. So hopefully I'm doing that for you now. You can set a boundary. You can say no. You can do it. Give yourself permission. I give you permission to set a boundary. In this particular case, the person, I'm going to actually do another video on, you don't have to come to every fight that you're invited to. But this person just was really mean to me in front of other people. And I'm like, why would you even consider having them come back? Now, part of it's because I live in a small town. I'm like, oh, I don't have the energy to deal with this drama. But what I found is, because a couple other women had come up to me and said, this person's not particularly kind and has criticized how I do things and has criticized, someone else said this, criticized my parenting. So I'm not the only one that's been affected by this person. But when I set a boundary, that shows other people that they can set a boundary, and hopefully shows you today that you can set a boundary. And so as I heal, you heal, and vice versa. And that's how we're going to make the world an awesome place. But just here to remind you, if someone's unkind to you, you are allowed to create a boundary. And the easier or the more you do it, the easier it becomes. And it's okay. Because what I've noticed in the small town that I'm living in is not a lot of boundaries being set. And it's gotten people angry at me. It's gotten people to make passive aggressive comments. But I've learned that I just have to stay strong, because you know what? There's going to be a switch someday. People are going to say, wow, you know what? It's okay to the queen bee to set a boundary with her. I don't have to take this. And so I'm just here, little reminder that it is okay, even if you live in a small town like me, to set boundaries. So share with me where you're going to set a boundary. When you set boundaries, you can declutter your life. When you clear clutter, you can create the life and space you choose, deserve, and desire. You can do it.